Hello everyone, Mike Grady here with Business Fuel Tools. What if you could write money-sucking sales copy at the click of a mouse without paying expensive copywriter not a single dime? Well, now you can. Well, let me show you a program that I've been using for about 6 months in all the funnels and headlines and emails and follow-ups and everything that we do. It's called Funnel Scripts, the revolutionary new push-button copywriting software that makes it easy and fast to come up with ads and emails and the perfect webinar and other sales copy you need to sell anything. We've used this for our own products. We've used this for clients. So much faster and easier than having to hire an expensive copywriter who will take forever to finish your job, and then it's usually not done exactly the way you want it. So let me show you right now. I'm going to go ahead and show you in our ClickFunnels account so that you can see how we actually come up with all of the different copy. So number one, you just go in here and you fill out the form. And then what you do is you just click the button or whack the button like Jim says. And then the copy it comes right out. You just click copy here and you can download it to either a text file or you can download it to a Word document and then copy it to wherever you need to do it. So you don't have to worry about doing all this writing, and you can use the output wherever you need the sales copy, which is great. So with Funnel Scripts, you don't have to worry about hiring a copywriter and then waiting weeks so they finish your job. And then the other thing is you don't have to, and I'm at a fault for this, is I get a great idea and then I get about halfway through and I lose where I'm at. So you don't have to bang your head against your keyboard struggling to come up with copy so that you can fill out your funnels. And then last, you don't have to worry that your sales copy doesn't follow the right format because it's all set up for you in Funnel Scripts. So now that's pretty great news. And it's nice because Funnel Scripts right now is $797. And what I'd like to do is go ahead and click the link below. And the reason why is I just saw a video. They're adding so much stuff to this and the value is so great that they're starting to talk again about raising the price. They've actually raised the price 3 times since I purchased the product 6 months ago. So go ahead, click the link below, grab this offer now because I know Jim and Russell are going to be increasing the cost of Funnel Scripts. And you want to get this before it goes up to like $1,500. So like I said, click the link below. And once you do that, what I want to do is just put in my bonuses. So get Funnel Scripts, email me at businessfueltools@gmail.com. Just email me the receipt that you own it and we'll actually give you our ClickFunnels Quick Start tutorial. It's about 15 videos that actually takes you through ClickFunnels A to Z to get it set up and running and producing revenue for you right away. And then 2, I want to give you our ultimate YouTube training program and show you how we're actually using vidIQ to actually get more subscribers and more views to our channel and actually get ranked higher for the videos and the content we're putting out. And then last, what I want to do, my third bonus, is I want to give you my personal favorite list of recurring affiliate products that pay us commissions every single month. So again, our ClickFunnels Quick Start training, I want to give you our ultimate YouTube training, and then our list of favorite recurring affiliate programs. So click the link below and get your copy of Funnel Scripts. You're going to love it.